Hi, my name is Steven. I'm the founder of myamazonguy.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what to do if your Amazon account is suspended and you can't get it back and you still want to sell on Amazon. So we're an 8-person digital agency focused on selling on Amazon. We've helped over 100 clients with various things on Amazon. Suspensions are something that is kind of frequently occurring more and more, unfortunately. And it's happening to businesses that are legitimate. So if your account has been suspended, you've tried to appeal it, you've tried to upload your documents, and then all of a sudden Amazon is ghosting you and not responding anymore, chances are it's going to be very difficult to get the account back. You can try and file appeals. Maybe you loaded a document that had one letter difference from what you put into the system versus what the document says. Regardless of any of those scenarios, this video is not focused on how to get accounts reinstated. It is to give you additional ideas on what to do to still sell on Amazon, but not with the account that's suspended. So top reason for accounts to be suspended is multiple accounts. So if you go to open an account and immediately get suspended and you've ever done anything on Amazon before, that's a multiple account issue. So here's the first idea. If you've given up on trying to reinstate your current account, I recommend you open a new one, but take the following steps to do so. Open up a new LLC for your business, and this LLC could be a subsidiary of your current business. That would be fine. So you've got business one, and that account's suspended, so you create business two, and business two can be owned by business one. That layering effect is enough to separate it to make it look like a new business. So to impact this further, no matter what you do, whether you create a new business or how you're going to open up this new account, you need to make sure that you have a unique bank account number. You need to make sure that you have a unique credit card, a unique email, and unique tax information. So as long as you have all of those, and a phone number that's not associated to the other account as well, then you should be good. So going through all of those steps, and you could even use a Google Voice number and forward it by text message if need be, if you don't feel like getting a new cell phone number, for example. So if you open up the new account as a new business and it's never been associated with Amazon before, and you got all the right documents, and you can do the identity verification, and you can do the business verification, chances are the account's going to go through and you're not going to have the same problems you had before. So that is idea number one. Idea number two, go buy somebody else's account. So there are various platforms where you can make a purchase for another Amazon account. Now, typically speaking, most of those brokers that you'd go through, whether it's Empire Flippers or Latonia's, they're gonna be expensive because you're gonna be paying a broker, you're gonna be paying for inventory for an actual business, like average price tag $200,000 most likely. So that's not a good fit for most people, but I offer it as an idea because it is on the table. If you're gonna go buy an account that doesn't have activity and it's just dormant, the value of that account is very minimal, and you can get the account information transferred over. But typically what I'm suggesting that you do is buy a business entity that has real tax infrastructure, verifiable tax infrastructure, and just take ownership of it. So that way when you log into that Seller Central account, you're not actually changing any of the details, you're just taking ownership of it. So that's idea number two. So if you guys have any ideas on how you have dealt with trying to get an Amazon account open after a suspension and reinstatement did not occur, that's what I'd recommend. Hail Mary Pass, you can always write Jeff at Amazon.com and basically give them all the details and say, hey, I'm a legitimate business. Here's everything I've done to try and get my reinstatement. I've run into a brick wall. Is there anything you can do? Average wait time on response for that is about 45 days. I've had it succeed on occasion. It's definitely a Hail Mary Pass. I definitely don't guarantee it's going to work for you, but it's worth attempting if you don't want to give up. So give those a whirl, and if you need any Amazon consulting help, you can always hire me for a coaching call. Go to myamazonguy.com, click on the book a coaching call, $125 an hour for a single session, and my calendar is right there. Thanks for watching.